Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to share link in Google Drive. So if you want to share link in Google Drive, here's a quick guide on how to share a link. So for you to be able to do that, you have to locate the particular file you want to share. So I'm just going to right click, I'm going to share this file. So for me to be able to share it, I have to right, then it will pop up some certain option. So I just have to scroll down to share, then tap on share again right in front of the share, then tap on it. Then from here I can simply add the Gmail of the person I want to share this particular file with. If I have the Gmail, I can put it here and send the file through the person's Gmail so that they can have the file right to their Gmail, so they can have access to the file. So another thing is also I can make sure I can customize this in order to make the person to have access to this file, because this is actually under restricted. So I can just click on anyone with the file with the link. So anyone that has access to this file with the link will be able to have access to this file. So I can just set to anyone with the link, which is okay. Then also I can also customize it from here. The person, anyone that has the link to this file, what role, who can they perform with this file. So if I want to set it to just to view the file, then they won't be able to make any adjustment, any correction, or do anything to the file, just to view the file. So this type of role is being classified to as viewers. Then we also have the commenters. You can only comment on the file. Then you can also set an editor. So editor simply means even though they have the file, they can still edit the files. They can edit, they can delete, they can adjust, they can add more to the file. So this type of option is best if you are working with you have a couple of teams you are working on. You can also create a file and make it an editor. So can add about close to 3 to 4 editors where they can do their own part, then send the remaining part of the file to you, edit it, then send it back to another person. So once you figure out the kind of role you want to pick for the person that has this file, then after that, then you can now come back here, then copy the link to this file, then paste it to wherever anyone you want to share the file with, or if you have the Gmail of the person or the people right here, just click on the Gmail, then can just simply send the file directly to their Gmail so that they can have access to it. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow